Hazrat Nu'man bin Bashir radiyallahu anhu reports that he heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying, lawful as well as unlawful things are evident, and in between them there are doubtful, suspicious things which most of the people do not know. So whoever eschewed the doubtful things secured his religion and his honor. And he who indulges in them is like a shepherd who grazes his animals near about a pasture. It is feared he would get in it. Beware, every king has a preserve. Beware, the preserve of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu on the earth is the things declared forbidden by him. Beware, in the body there is a piece of flesh. When it is in sound condition, the whole body remains sound. But when it gets spoiled, the whole body gets spoiled. Hearken, that is the hurt. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 52.